In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix audio problems in Windows 11. Whether your computer's audio is completely silent or you're experiencing some sound issues, this guide will help you get everything back on track. I know that dealing with audio issues can be frustrating, but don't worry, because it's actually fairly simple to address these issues in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, locate the Start button, which you'll typically find at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the gateway to many of the tools you'll be using today. Click on this button to bring up the Start menu. This menu gives you access to various features and settings of your Windows 11 system. Next, from the Start menu, you're going to select Settings. Now, Settings is your hub for system customization and adjustments. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to the main Settings page. This is where you adjust a lot of the functionalities on your computer. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find the option labeled Troubleshoot. Troubleshooting is a built-in utility in Windows 11 that assists you in diagnosing and fixing common issues automatically. By clicking on Troubleshoot, you're taking the first step in identifying what might be causing your audio problems. With Troubleshoot selected, your next move is to find and click on the option that says Other Troubleshooters. The section is designed to help with a variety of issues, offering specific tools for diverse system problems. So, if you're wondering where to find the right tool for the audio problem, this is it. In the list of troubleshooters, you'll see different options for various functionalities. Look for the option labeled Playing Audio. This is exactly what you need. Once you've located it, click Run. Now, what this does is begin the diagnostic process. It will automatically start checking for audio-related issues on your device. Executing this will now run the Windows troubleshooter specifically for audio. The system might take a moment to go through different configurations, checks, and balances. Essentially, the troubleshooter will try to detect anything out of the ordinary with your audio settings. There you have it. These steps should help you quickly address and fix any audio-related problems you're facing on Windows 11. By leveraging the built-in troubleshooting tools of Windows 11, you've not only worked towards solving your current issue, but have also empowered yourself for tackling similar challenges in the future. If the problem persists, further technical support might be required. But these steps are a great first line of defense against common audio issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.